In our previous lectures, we have learnt that what defines a straight line completely can be slope of the line and the y-intercept covered in slope-intercept form, or coordinates of a point on the line and the slope or angle of inclination of the line covered in one-point form, and coordinates of any 2 points on the line. So today we are going to learn what is the algebraic equation when coordinates of any 2 points on the line are given. What will be the algebraic equation of that line? First, recall this. A line passes through 2 points, say P and Q. P 7, 3 and Q minus 3, 1. So if I give you 2 points and you plot them on the graph paper, joining those 2 points creates a straight line, right? So 2 coordinates, or I can say coordinates of 2 points, can actually define a straight line. So what will be the algebraic equation of this line or any line which passes through 2 points? First, recall that equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. So we will use this to find out the equation of the straight line which passes through 2 points. Now, let the line y is equal to mx plus 3 pass through the point, say, P x1 y1. So what will happen? What you will do? You will replace y and x with y1 and x1. Okay? Do it. Now how will this help? I'll tell you. Let this be equation 1, where x has been replaced with x1 and y has been replaced with y1. Okay, so we get an equation 1. Now, let the line y is equal to mx plus c again pass through a new point. Why new point? Because here we know that we have to find the equation of a straight line which passes through 2 points. So first point was what? P x1 y1. The next point will be q x2 y2. Okay, so how will you do this? You have to replace the value of x and y in the equation of the straight line here, which is y is equal to mx plus c. The same which you had done before. First you had replaced y is equal to mx plus c here, replacing y and x with y1 and x1. Now you have to replace this with the coordinates of point q, which is y2 and x2. Do it. Here y has to be replaced with y2 and x has to be replaced with x2. So what will be the new equation? y2 is equal to m x2 plus c. So let this be our second equation. So we get our 2 equations. So the first equation, y1 is equal to mx1 plus c, and the second equation, y2 is equal to mx2 plus c. Now you know that here we have to find out the equation of a straight line which passes through 2 points. So we are having actually x1 y1 and x2 y2, the coordinates of 2 points. We are not having m, we are not having c. So we have to find out the equation in such a way that the equation does not have m and does not have c. Well, for now, I can see that c can be eliminated by solving these 2 equations simultaneously. So first, let's do that. To eliminate c, we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Do it. C and C gets cancelled, C minus C. Here we get m common, mx2 minus mx1, so m common, x2 minus x1. And here, y2 minus y1. Right? So we get a new equation here, y2 minus y1 is equal to m into x2 minus x1. Well, you can recall that this is the equation we had derived in point 1 point form, right? Where we had the slope and coordinates of 1 point, right? Now, how to come to such an equation or such an equation of a straight line which does not have m also? Here, you can make the coefficient of m as 1 and then make the subject of this equation as m. So you can find out the value of m in terms of x1, x2, y1, y2. Do it. What will be m? Taking x2 minus x1 this side. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here we get a value for m also. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Now we know that equation of a straight line in point slope form is this: y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where we have coordinates of one point as x1, y1 and m as slope. So putting those, we get an equation in terms of x and y, right? But now we have to find out equation of a straight line which passes through 2 points only. So what are we having with us? x1, y1, x2, y2. Coordinates of 2 points. No m, no c. C has already been eliminated. We have to eliminate m. So what will we do? We will substitute m with the value of m we have just found out. Okay? So in this equation, just substitute the value of m we have found out. Do it. Y minus y1, this remains the same, is equal to, instead of this m, we will write this: y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. See, here what we have? We have such an equation which does not have m, does not have c. What it has? It has y, y1, y2, x, x1, x2. So what will we do? We will put the values for x1, x2, y1, y2, coordinates of 2 points through which that line passes, and we will get an equation in terms of x and y. So you can say equation of a straight line in 2-point form. Why 2 point? Because we have been given the coordinates of 2 points. Is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So what we will do? If we are given these 2 points, that the line passes through these 2 points, you have to find out the equation of such a line. You have to replace x1 and y1 with these 2 values and x2 and y2 with these 2 values, whichever values you will have been given, and in terms of x and y, you will get an equation. So let us apply this in a sum. A straight line passes through 2 points. Again, you have 2 points, 3, minus 1 and 4, 2. What is the equation of the straight line? Whenever you have these 2 points and you have to find out the equation of this straight line, you will use this formula which we have just derived. So first of all, name this, so you will be clear. x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to what? 4, y1 is equal to minus 1 and y2 is equal to 2. Right? Now we have to find out the equation of this straight line. So use this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So just substitute these values and tell me what will you get. y1, which is minus 1. Be sure that you do not ignore the signs of these coordinates. y2 is 2 minus, again y1, minus 1 by x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. Are we done? This is left. X minus x1, x minus x1, which is 3. Now solve this. Y minus minus 1, that is y plus 1, is equal to 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, by 4 minus 3 is 1, x minus 3. Now this can be written as y plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 by 1 is 3, x minus 3. Now solving this further, we get y is equal to 3x minus 3 into 3, 9, and this 1 goes over there. So 3x minus 9 minus 1. What do we get? Y is equal to 3x minus 10. So y is equal to 3x minus 10 is the equation of a straight line which passes through the points 3 comma minus 1 and 4 comma 2. So equation of a straight line in 2-point form is what? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You have to substitute the values for x1 y1 and x2 y2 and get an equation in terms of x and y.